Did you know that bananas can boost your energy levels sustainably? Here's a fun and easy recipe for Nutty Banana Energy Bites that will keep you energized throughout your day. All you need is one ripe banana, a cup of rolled oats, and a handful of your favorite nuts or nut butter. Simply mash the banana in a bowl, mix in the oats and chopped nuts, and form small balls. It's that simple. You can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon or chocolate chips for extra flavor and a delightful twist. These bites are not only delicious, but also rich in potassium, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a powerhouse snack. Imagine a snack that satisfies your cravings and keeps you full for hours. Perfect for pre-workout fuel or a midday pick-me-up, they fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. You can store them in the fridge for up to a week, making them a convenient grab-and-go option for those hectic days. Would you try this? What's your favorite healthy food hack? Share below and let's inspire each other to make healthy choices together. Your body and energy levels will truly thank you for it.